welcome to another vid. I'm going to do a quick service on Jake's little Peugeot piece of crap. This is just basically to show you that it's cheap to maintain a car. You don't have to spend loads of money, you know, throwing money at dealerships and stuff like that to maintain a car. I'm going to do a service on it. I'm not going to show you how to do a service on a Peugeot because there's loads of videos online showing you how to do Peugeot services. I'll show you the parts. So that oil and filter, that's the sort of stuff that Halfords charge you 70 quid for doing. On their website it says services from 69 quid. I can't imagine a service for a little Peugeot being any more than 69 quid. And the time for the oil filter off and another one refit is 25 minutes. Oil drain and refills 15-20 minutes. So yeah, that'll be a basic service at Halfords. And I've got plugs, set of 3 cylinder, and air filter. And these two parts, along with a fuel filter normally at higher mileage, this has only done 22,000. But these two parts, along with a fuel filter normally, that'd be, you know, your major service. Maybe throwing a pollen filter in there, but you've got no allergies, have you, Jake?
I hope not.
No, you hope not. So we're probably just going to pull that out if it's beyond it. But yeah, should be quick, easy, save Jake some pennies. Yeah. Should we get them open? Should we open them? Do you want to open them, Jake? They're like yours, aren't they? They're like your presents.
What's that?
These.
Christmas.
That's just oil filter in it. Mate, how have you opened that?
It's stuff in it. Right, well that's...
It's alright, I'll do it one-handed. It's alright, Jake. I wanted to see if this came with that like little weird rubber seal. Do you remember when I had a look at your air filter?
Oh, right.
And it like had a dodgy rubber seal on it? Oh, it does. Comes with a white one there.
It's just the exact same, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that alright enough on it?
Yeah. It's all rubberized though, is that? You know, like yours were like plastic. I feel like the whole... No, yours were like paper, sorry, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's all like rubberized, so that'll just slap straight in, you know, rather than it being paper on this bit,
yeah,
and then a rubber seal around edge.
Yeah.
It's just all rubber.
So it's all...
So it's a bit better, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's better than OE, because that'll be OE equipment, that will, or some proper cheap crap from China, from whoever did it before. So I'm going to crack on now. I'm going to put his air filter in first, because the engine's a bit warm. I mean, you can't really tell, because that's just a plastic cover, 100 clips. And I'm going to fit that first, wait for the engine's cool down a bit, probably do the air filter and spark plugs first, and then do the oil filter and drain the oil and that after, then fill her up. Jake's just like proper lost his shit because of this little guy. Jake.
Oh, man.
Baby, that's my plan. That's my baby, that's my plan. That's my baby, that's my plan. And you don't understand. And you don't understand. And you don't understand.
That was a nightmare. Had to use them. Jeez! So that's it, done. Finished it off. Took me just over an hour, didn't it, Jake? Cost probably about 40 quid in parts. Hour and a half. Saved. What were it? It was Alfred's wanted to charge for the day, including like a pollen filter. 120 or something.
Yeah.
Between 70 for just oil and filter on it, and then 120 for like an interim service. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, just how you can save a bit of money doing your service yourself. It's pretty easy to do. There's loads of DIY videos already on every single make and model of car on YouTube, so I didn't want to do that. Just wanted to make it more about the savings that you can have. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe down below. See you next time. Bye for now.
And you don't understand.